Number of solutions. So typically there's one solution. When you solve a system and get an ordered pair like 419, this is an example of one solution. It's the only one that makes the system true. Sometimes there isn't one solution. Let's look at the system 2x plus 6y equals 10 and x equals negative 3y minus 9. What would the equation look like after we substitute? So this is what the equation looks like after we substitute. What is our first step to solving? Now that we use the distributive property, we can combine like terms. We're going to combine the negative 6y and the 6y, which will equal 0. So they actually cancel out completely and we can cross them out. And we're just left with negative 18 equals 10. Now you might be thinking, whoa, that looks a little weird. But it's actually kind of a good thing. When you get a false statement, which occurs when one number equals a different number, there is no solution. That's the answer. So we can actually stop doing the problem now and know that there's no solution. It doesn't matter what x or y equals, the equation will never be true. Let's take a look at another example that uses graphing. We're going to solve by graphing the system with y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5 and y equals negative 1/3 x minus 2. So first we'll graph the blue line, which is here. Now, how would you graph the red line? We're going to start at negative 2, the y-intercept, and go down 1 to the right 3. Now we want to find the solution. How do you find the solution to a system? By looking at the graph. These two lines are parallel because they have the same slope. Therefore, they will never intersect. And therefore, there is also no solution.